guys, you're in the kitchen with Lynn. Don't you forget to subscribe. Today we're making some baked potato and tuna pie with cheese topping. A great recipe that is easy to throw together. Just add any vegetables into yours and let's go make it. I have 2 eggs that I did beat up, guys. You can beat up yours more, alright? Into this egg, I'm going to add some red and yellow bell peppers with red onions, celery, and then I did boil my potatoes beforehand and dice them, so I throw them into here with a can of smoked tuna. I also add some paprika, and you want to taste as you go. Even though it has eggs, you would know once you're in the kitchen, man, you would, know if you're pot one more salt or whatever. So I didn't taste mine, but I know that I add enough ingredients in there that would bring back that taste for me. So I mixed it well. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some dried parsley. You can use some fresh one, and some grated white mild cheddar cheese. Okay, the cheese is not too salty, but it has a beautiful flavor that's going to bring back that richness into my pie. Some evaporated milk and some 2% milk into this. Why I mixed it first was because I wanted to see the texture of my mixture before, because you don't want to add too much of liquid and make it too runny again. Mix it well, and at this time I have my oven set to 350 degrees. I did mix up some pastry dough, and as you can see, I placed it into here, and I'm going to just remove the excess edges and press the ends. Now I did a very thin layer. I do not want the layer to be too thick. Then we're going to pour our mixture into this. Once I pour it, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to top it with some yellow anchor cheese, which I did grate. And if you notice, I used a lot of cheese here. Yes, guys, so check the description box for all measurements and ingredients. Pop it into the oven. And like I said, 350 degrees oven, and let it bake for 15 to 18 minutes. Then once it's done, make sure that it's completely cool. At this time, I'm trying to figure out where should I start cutting my pie. Because it's so smelly in here, I know it tastes good. Alright, so cut it down. And this is just an easy way to prepare a different and delicious lunch. This baked potato and tuna pie topped with the yellow anchor cheese is the bomb, guys. I'm sure that your kids will love it. So there you have it. Look at this. Very tasty. Oh my goodness. Yes, I did serve it with some basil and some tomatoes. And there you have it, guys. So go give it a try. Stay with me for many more simple, easy recipes. And don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Alright, leave me a beautiful comment. Let me know what you think about it. So enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video.